We got our monthly subscription from Universal Yums. Let's see which part of the world we're tasting today. We're tasting Indonesia. I knew it. First thing we're gonna try, Cheeky Twist Flaming Hot. It reminds me of Flaming Hot Cheetos, but extra large. Punches you with heat. More airy than hot Cheetos. Twice the size, twice the heat, and twice the flavor. 9 out of 10.
Very flavorful, like the big size. I think 10 for me.
Vanelo Pandan Cream Cake. Very spongy. Not so sweet. It's very light and airy. It tastes like pandan. It's a solid cakey snack. 8 out of 10.
Like a pound cake, vanilla and pandan together, 10.
Cola Super Cream Pineapple Sandwiches. Oh, little tiny biscuits. No, what tastes like vanilla cookie with Dole Whip. Looks like it's jelly. It's 10.
Like pineapple juice in a sandwich, 10.
Indomie Mi Goreng. Eat this a lot already, but we're still gonna try it. Boiled this already, and then we left a little bit of hot water. The oil. We have the soy sauce. I think that's the chili one. Seasoning flavoring powder. And we just mix it. We're gonna taste it now. Soy sauce, a little bit of heat, everything in a stir-fry noodles that you can ask for. Also umami flavor. Never get tired of eating this. 10 out of 10.
A little bit of heat, soy sauce, sweetness, and garlicky, 10 out of 10.
Little tea break, teh botol, jasmine tea drink. Take it a little bit. Ooh. Like that it's not too sweet. You can taste the jasmine, boba milk tea, but you can actually taste the tea. 9 out of 10.
Very floral. You can really taste the jasmine tea. This is 10 for me.
Next one that we're gonna try, Kopiko. Very popular in the Philippines as well. Eyes are sleepy and you feel so dizzy for a coffee break time. Coffee candy, Kopiko.
It's cappuccino. Nostalgic. Reminds me of your dad in the Philippines. 10 out of 10.
This is the perfect encapsulation. What a candy coffee should be. 10 out of 10. Bang bang! Chocolate and caramel wafer.
That's the Ariana Grande song.
Bang bang! The texture is like really a lot of crunch. Twix and Kit Kat together. The layer here is very crunchy. 9 out of 10.
It's like Twix. Right amount of everything. 10 out of 10. I'm on a diet.
Kiss, Kokelat, Kelapa. Oh, look! Smells like really coconutty. Buttery and light and airy. Crunchy croissant. It's not too much. It's not overpowering. 10 out of 10.
Like Nutella with coconut. 10 out of 10.
Chitato, sour cream and onion flavor. Bawang. In Indonesia, I think bawang means onion. In the Philippines, bawang is garlic. Look at that texture. Classic sour cream, but more seasoning and umami. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
UP yogurt gummy. I feel like this is like Yakult. Yogurt drink gummy. It's a gummy, but yogurt Yakult drink flavor. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, taste na cool. Yeah, 10.
Strawberry flavor gummy. Individually wrapped. Like popping boba. A snap when you bite it, but inside is very soft. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Terima kasih, Indonesia. Thank you for letting us taste your snacks.
Make sure to go to universalyums.com to start your own snacks adventure.